Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aisha. If you are new, hi, welcome. In today's video I'll be doing a summer refresh for my kitchen. I'm gonna clean up and then get everything started for decoration. All right, let's get started. So I'll be starting on my right far corner of my kitchen by placing this large wall art, and next to that I will add a lamp for a little bit of ambience to the kitchen, and then I'll add my bar holder. Next to that I'll bring in this marble tray from Home Good, and this vase I found this at the thrift store. I really like the color, so I love the shape, and I went ahead and painted it and it came out great. And I'll be placing like four or three stems of hydrangeas. These hydrangeas are the most realistic hydrangeas I've ever found. Gorgeous. I found these at Hobby Lobby, of course. And I'll be adding a little bit of blue here and there. So I'll add this vase to hold my spoons. Just a little bit of pop of blue. And then next I'll bring my oil and then my salt holder, and I'll just place that in there and then with this spoon. And on the left corner of the stove, first I'll bring my rice wine jar base and this raffle bowl. I found this bowl at Aldi. Beautiful. We love limes in this house. We consume lime a lot. So these are rare limes, fresh, that are added in this bowl. And then I'll just open a cookbook here and place this rolling pin. So this rack here is a DIY. I used the curtain rod to DIY this because I didn't want to put any holes in the tiles, and it came out beautiful, very nice. And next to my sink I just place this mango bowl wood and my soap in there, and into this basket to hang my pantry door I just have some ranunculus and baby breath in there. And to my coffee station, this is a great addition to my coffee station. I love these mugs with the pedestal on it. It's very nice. So here I just add my syrup, and again another pop of blue here of this mug to hold my spoons. I got some tea, some sugar, and my coffee. And I place in my coffee machine and another light. So I'll add this frame here to hide these cords a little bit, and to finish this side I'll just drop in this tea towel from Again Co. So to the shelves, these are very challenging to arrange. I just place in some canisters, some greenery. These canisters are great fun too, from the thrift store. And I gotta add a basket there, a towel, kitchen towel, some bowls, some coffee mugs, and I printed this hydrangeas picture from Google. And underneath I just bring in this wood riser from Home Good, and my rice, of course. I have to display my rice. I have white rice and brown rice in these clear glasses. They are very beautiful. And next to that I bring in a stack of books, and this gorgeous large woven tray. I'll add this to the end of the island and bring in some plates and some fruits. My kiddos love some fruits. So all these are real fruits that we are going to consume. So
brick by brick we build the place. Memories in every space. Laugh and shout till day is through. Here with me and here with you. Morning's bright with light and song. Nothing here can go too wrong. Coffee brew and warm embrace.